Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Hamilton Beach Food Processor. This budget food processor will fit your budget in your kitchen. It's not the largest processor you'll find, but the 10-cup bowl is large enough for prepping family dinners. This food processor has 2 speeds plus a pulse option, so your salsa will be as smooth or chunky as you like it. With the Hamilton Beach Bowl Scraper food processor, there's no need to stop and remove the lid to dislodge food from the side of the bowl. The built-in scraper does the work for you, even while the processor is on for continuous processing. The latter feature proved to be a game changer when making basil pesto, which our researchers said came out perfectly blended and creamy. The processor includes a reversible slicing disc and a stainless steel blade for chopping, blending, pureeing, and more. Our second best food processor is Cuisinart DLC2 ABC Food Processor. The Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus processor handles a variety of food preparation tasks including chopping, grinding, emulsifying and blending. The patented auto-reversing smart power blade provides a super sharp edge for the delicate chopping of herbs and for blending and pureeing other soft foods. The blunt edge offers a powerful cutting surface to grind through spices and other hard foods. Pulse activation gives maximum control for precision processing, whether chopping or grinding. Spatula, product manual and recipe booklet included. Using your Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus processor, the powerful high-speed 250-watt motor works hard and fast to accomplish any small job with ease. Chop herbs, onions, garlic, grind spices, hard cheese, puree baby foods, blend mayonnaise and flavored butters, all with the same compact appliance. Allow to cool completely before chopping. Vegetables, cook chop. Pulse 5 to 10 times to chop, then process continuously until desired consistency is reached. Cook vegetables until tender. Process to a smooth puree for baby food or sauces, may need to add liquid for consistency. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is Xylis Manual Food Processor. The Xylis Easy Pull Manual Food Processor and Chopper is the ultimate compact food processor and chopper. This versatile tool is ideal for chopping, blending and pureeing ingredients. The patented Swiss design blade cuts through even the toughest foods like carrots and other hard foods. It features a booster arm for even chopping of large and small quantities and a large 25-ounce bowl. Makes great salsa in seconds. Focusing on functionality, durability, design, cleanliness and safety, two blades rotate in opposite directions to finely chop all ingredients. Booster arms on top and bottom keep food from sticking. Place one hand firmly on the bowl while pulling up and away with the handle. The 2-foot cord will naturally draw back. Do not overpull. Let's watch more.
The Easy Pull manual food processor from Xylis is a quick and easy way to chop, mix, and blend food. The processor has a 3-cup capacity bowl to prep larger quantities and features a non-slip silicone base for safety and a better grip. To use, simply fit the booster arm onto the blade and insert into the base. Then, place your ingredients into the bowl. Place the lid on top and pull the ring to the side. This activates the chopping. Once you have finished your food preparation, the blades and the base can go directly into the dishwasher. Wipe the lid clean under hot tap. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or dips, the Easy Pull food processor is quick, easy to use, and leaves little mess. It is the ultimate food preparation tool.
Number 4 in our best food processor list is Cuisinart FP13 DGM food processor. Both large and small with the Cuisinart Elemental 13 food processor, the new dicing disc features a 10mm screen for dicing food into perfect squares, and we've also included a cleaning tool to keep it in top operating condition. The 13-cup work bowl easily handles larger quantities of ingredients, making it perfect for big family meals and entertaining. The bonus 4-cup bowl is ideal for smaller amounts. 2 stainless steel blades and 2 discs make quick work of chopping nuts, pureeing soup, slicing tomatoes, shredding cheese and more. The Cuisinart Elemental 13-cup food processor is designed to perform any food prep task your recipe calls for. Big enough to chop ingredients for a party-sized portion of salsa, the Elemental 13 can also dice ingredients in the same bowl. Our last pick is KitchenAid KFP 1466R food processor. KitchenAid 14-cup food processor with exact slice system easily slices soft to hard foods with the optimized speeds. From thick to thin also includes commercial-style dicing kit. The 2-in-1 feed tube lets you use either the large or narrower opening during continuous slicing or shredding, depending on the size of the ingredients. Food pushers help you guide ingredients into the discs. 14-cup work bowl, 4-cup work bowl, lid with feed tube, lid without feed tube, adjustable slicing disc, reversible shredding disc, multi-purpose blade for 4-cup work bowl, dough blade, dicing kit, clean-out tool, storage case. Let's watch how to assemble and use this food processor.
These instructions apply to the 7-cup food processor, the 7-cup food processor with exact slice system, and the 14-cup food processor with commercial-style dicing kit. Before using your food processor for the first time, wash all parts and accessories by hand or in the top rack of your dishwasher. Place the work bowl on the food processor base and align the raised locking element with the indentation on the base. Turn the work bowl counterclockwise until it locks into place. Pick the accessory you would like to use and install it using the instructions provided in the Use and Care Guide specific to your food processor model. Once your preferred accessory is secured, place the lid onto the work bowl with the 2-in-1 feed tube positioned to the left of the handle. Turn the lid to the right until it locks into place, then fit the food pusher into the feed tube. If your food processor won't start, make sure the work bowl and lid are locked into place, checking that the lid is securely locked into the work bowl and the handle. Your food processor is now ready to create.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!